My name is Bruce Hartman. In 2005, which is 10 years ago, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. I remember I was sitting at the breakfast table when he called, and he says, "Hi, this is Dr. Heaton. Are you sitting down?" And I said, "Yeah, I'm having breakfast." He said, "Well, I need to see you and your wife tomorrow in my office." And then I knew, something's going on. So we went to his office. He explained, where he says we can do a complete removal of the prostate. And I thought, no. I have a brother-in-law that went through that, who is a doctor in California, all sorts of problems. And he says that I have back then, 10 years, this is 10 years ago, he says a new procedure called brachytherapy. He says I work with Dr. Hansen, and Dr. Hansen is an expert in this new procedure. He says that it is a high concentrated, narrowly focused radiation of the prostate. There are approximately 6 treatments that you go through, and then after that you're followed up on a yearly basis. And he says basically what it does is it focuses the radiation totally within the prostate and does not go out through the entire body. I thought, well, I know the problems that my brother-in-law's had, and he really had some massive problems. He suffered a stroke on the operating table, and it went away. He lost his eyesight for a half hour, and then it came back. And he has a medical practice in California, and he's fit and everything, but he's had so many problems with prostate being gone. I didn't want that. So I met with Dr. Hansen the first time, and he went over the whole procedure. And I did a little research on Dr. Hansen, and I found that he graduated in the top, at least up there 10%. He is an honor graduate of medical school. And I thought, honor graduate of medical school, you gotta be pretty damn good. So that impressed me. I done a little, and I knew a lot of the doctors around because I worked with them, and they all said, yeah, he's probably one of the best. So I made that decision to do it, and he said, I do not anticipate that you're going to have any more problems, and you can consider yourself pretty much cancer-free. I happened to see an old pathologist I used to work with at McKay Hospital. I saw him up at the gym yesterday, and we talked about it, and he says, you're home free. 10 years? And I said, yeah. He says, But just to be safe, I continue to see him once a year, and knock on wood, it's okay. We're doing well. And I'm glad I had that procedure.
Gamma West, taking cancer personally.